Werunjuma tugichokera athuganirua batantatu kirigiko kia Bernard Muthiani nwe sniper nande bageta nambere kurigirwa kwa borithi mwanka Jumatatu ijete ndire koti ikagitega mbakethire getikirie rombare rutere rwa Nditango araborite koti ite wa muribo gwetikirie athuganirua baba gweta nambere kurigirwa gwantu kuingi 14 UNCUNKUNI bugikinyanirwa kiri wakirwa rutere rwa athuganirwa na arombete koti gutejaniria iromba riri akiuga borithi yabatere kwithirwa irikitio UNCUNKUNI mbere ya gwikira athuganirwa mithatene. Mwandiki wetu wa Ntuto Anthony Kathenya na kurikire.
Thuganirwa bathandatu bagiko kia blogger David Sniper libakathi na mbele gwikira ituni bia BORICI nkurani mpaka muthenya mwambilio kimetuthiite ala mugambithene munene wa koti nene ya KIAMBU Merisa Pondo akaruta ugambi kiriro mbare ya DCI kuingira thuganirwa baba gwantu 14
ruling on the application by the state to hold on to the 5 respondents on Monday at 11 a.m. The phones are being held as exhibits and cannot be released at this stage, nor can the respondents gain access to them as they are not in the custody of the investigating officer. The other items will be released as requested and as outlined by State Counsel Ms. Sonunga. I will also deliver my ruling on miscellaneous application E001 of 2024 when I deliver this ruling on Monday. In my opinion, the two ought to have been consolidated as the issues raised are the same.
Au kabere ilombala ya DCI ile alentuko 21 aidha muthenya omndi DCI gwetukira mawakili mathirikari ni elithite kwenda ntuko ino inde na wetikio bakalekirio UNCUNKUNI bobo kire ntuko 14 kethirwa koti ino igetekira kuingira athuganirwa baba na nyuma ntuko ino bakabalugulela Nditango.
I am not asking for 21 days as we earlier prayed. 2 weeks here or now will suffice, or any other days or that the court would deem fit, we'll be ready to come back to court with a charge against the suspect who are linked to the offense.
Kulingana na mawakili ba athuganirwa baba batongeretwe na wakili Fred Wandongi ni kinyume na watho athuganirwa baba kuingirwa ntuko 14 ona nyume gwikala na DCI wa ntuko 9. Wandongi na mawakili baba bange bakiuga ni makosa DCI kugwata muthuganirwa mbela bathithio UNCUNKUNI.
I wish to state before this court that in our view the application before you is misconceived, it is bad in law, and it ought not to be taking any judicial time at all. I say this, with respect to my very learned friend who has informed you that this is a matter they are bringing in very good faith. If they are bringing this matter in very good faith, they would have been cognizant of the authorities of the High Court, which have decreed this kind of application as unconstitutional. The judges have ruled that extension of time is unconstitutional. I very humbly beg to make that finding and to be pleased to admit my client to bail. And it's also within your absolute discretion to release him on his personal recognizance.
Athuganirwa baba na bala bakuregula kuingirwa mpaka muthenya mwambilio ni Frederick Morioki, Timothy Kinoti, Franklin Kimathi, Kenneth Mutua Macheri, Murangiri Kenneth Wantai na muthuganirwa munene Vincent Kiremi aka Supwa Miorom. Athuganirwa baba bathandatu ribagetera mpaka muthenya mwambilio kimetuthiite kenda kugwata ugambi kuma kiri koti ya KIAMBU kethirwa bakendera gwikara ituni nkurani ja BORICI kana bakethirwa bakirekerua UNCUNKUNI boy kugia Sniper bokethi na mbele. kuma kotini ya Kiambu, kaunti ya Kiambu, Beta Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.